In this video, we'll learn how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your LG WebOS TV. Method 1. Restart your TV. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power socket. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Method 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your router for 10 to 20 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait until all lights come back on. Then try connecting your TV again. Method 3. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Press the Settings button on your LG remote. Go to All Settings, Network, Wi-Fi Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Make sure you see the Connected to the Internet message. Method 4. Check date and time settings. Wrong date or time can cause connection issues. Go to All Settings, General, Time and Date. Set the correct time or turn on Set Automatically. Method 5. Change DNS settings, Optional fix. Go to All Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, Advanced Settings. Turn off Set Automatically. Enter DNS as 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1, Google or Cloudflare DNS. Save and reconnect. Method 6. Factory reset if all else fails. Go to All Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings. This will erase all apps and settings, so use it only as a last resort. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos.